All right, this is the moment you guys have all been waiting for. I'll be announcing the giveaway winners. So there is one thing though. I can't really show the full name because it kind of doxes their email. So I'm just going to put the first 3 letters of their email. And if you guys recognize it, like if it's yours, then check your email and that's where the code will be. Now, if they don't respond to this within, I don't know, I'll just say a week or 2, then I will redraw the winners and pick some new people. Now, when you try to redeem your Photopea key, which I'll show you how to do that right now. So what you want to do is go to photopea.com, click on this account button right here. It'll be on this menu. You want to click on Go Premium, which these are the things that you get with Premium, by the way. You go to Premium, I have a key, and then, or first you press this, I accept terms of service, I have a key, and then you type in the code that I sent you. That's all you have to do, and you should have it. But there's one thing, you should do it only on the website, because if you try doing it on the downloaded program, it won't work, at least from what I've heard. So yeah, what you want to do is just basically go to the website and redeem it there, and everything should work. If not, email me and I'll see what I can do. So this is the first person that won. Reminder, this is just the first 3 letters, so keep that in mind. They won with a 1% chance probability. This is the second person. They won with a 1% chance as well. This is the next person, 1% chance. Another person with a 1% chance. Another person, 1% chance. Now this next person won with a 0.12% chance with only 3 entries, so that kind of sucks, but that's what this random generator picked, so it is what it is. This is the next person with 1%, next person with a 1%, and another person with a 1%. Now, the last person won with a 0.52% chance. Come on, man. Only 13 entries, you were slacking, and you still won. So I'm sorry guys if you did not win. There will be more giveaways in the future, so don't even worry. Don't hate me because you lost, please. I don't need that. But thank you guys for participating and all the support you guys are giving me. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Peace out.